Is that raining, Morgan?
Yeah.
How heavy is it raining?
Really, really strong.
Really, really strong. Just
You
jumped.
said there was a bush rolling.
Was there? We've just jumped on the bus and we've just missed it. We're back at the hotel for a bit. We're back at the resort for a bit and get and then head back to Rainforest Café for our lunch. Or tea, I should say. God, it's not running down, isn't it, Morgan? You alright, Morgan? Feeling tired?
No.
Where we're off the tea?
Rainforest Café.
For the Rainforest Café back in Magic Kingdom. We've had a little bit of a break there.
Hello everyone, and welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Transportation System. We are on our way to Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Okay, that guy's now with Disney's Animal Kingdom. We're the only guys in the
Please
bus.
remain seated while the motor coach is in motion. If you're standing, we encourage you to use the handrails above or to the side, and remain clear of the doors and stairwells.
Smiling.
We also ask that you refrain from eating,
you're not
drinking,
smiling.
and smoking.
My God, are you smiling, Marshall?
And now, we invite you to
Marshall's always
relax and
smiling.
enjoy the ride.
So anyway,
Thank you.
I might remember to take a little bit video of the food we've got and see if my commentary is a bit better than what it was on the Oran Bay Market one. Right. Right, we're in the Rainforest Café in Animal Kingdom for our dinner tonight. I'll have to get used to saying dinner instead of tea. We always say tea where in the northeast of England where we're originally from. So we've just ordered and we're waiting for them coming now. And we're in the guy was saying the Rainforest Café here is the biggest Rainforest Café restaurant in the world. And it is pretty huge when you come in. And there's a monkey swinging above me head. I don't know whether you can see or not on the camera there.
Yeah, we can.
So, and we've got surrounded by tigers, fish tanks. I'll take a few pictures as well just to show everybody. And obviously I'll get a few pictures of our steak, ribs and shrimp combo when it comes. You saying hello, Morgan? There, she thinks she's getting ignored, so she wants to say hello. And what's Morgan getting? Flat iron steak with fries.
Fries and vegetables.
Fries and vegetables.
So hopefully it's probably broccoli or maybe.
Yeah, we'll see when it comes anyway. There's the tigers there. Fish tank. We'll get a good old video on our way out. The rest of the animals, and gorillas down there and what have you. Cool. The night sky above as well. So our drinks have arrived. We have a cocktail we've got a cocktail here in a souvenir glass. They're $15 each, but it tastes quite strong. It is a, what is it? Something mojito. I can't even remember what it is. Anyway, it tastes nice, and it looks nice. Yeah. And there's Morgan. Oh, Marshall's coming, and there's Morgan with her. Morgan's got Coca-Cola. Is that all right, darling? Oh, the thunder and lightning started now. The monkey's going crackers. There's shooting stars in the sky as well. I don't know whether you guys can see them. Oh, the gorillas are going daft over there as well. Let's see if there's any action from these tigers. Doesn't look like there's going to be. That must be going to be a different time. The waiter asked where we were from. So when we said Scotland, he says, "Oh, you haven't had anybody from Scotland for a while." So he must have been thinking, "Oh God, bloody greedy Scotsman." But as you can tell from my voice, not originally from Scotland anyway, so not so greedy. Well, Morgan is, yeah. Morgan's a properly Scottish wee lassie. We're halfway through now, I am. Ribs, steak, cooked to perfection, medium, beautiful. And this spicy barbecue sauce, really nice. Shrimp's good too. Yours, Marshall, nice? What about yours, Morgan?
Getting full.
You getting full of you? Was your steak nice? What about yours, Angela? I'll put a picture on what we got. What did you get, Angela, again? Sorry, she's got a mouthful. She's only little, she can't speak when she's got food in her mouth. She had steak and shrimp. Alright, steak and shrimp, different type of shrimp combo. Nice. Well, sweets have come. I've getting a mango sorbet. It's nice. It's got chunks of mango in as well. And Marshall is getting chocolate Diablo cake. Looks nice. It's got like a strawberry and chocolate sauce on. Very nice. Morgan's getting hers to go because she's failing it a bit, and they've just gone to the little girls' room. So hopefully they'll get back before our sorbet milk. Over the table. Oh, volcano. Marshall said he's stuffed now, and that's a boy that can usually eat 2 more tatties than a pig.
Well, you get the glass right.
Right, we're heading back to the resort now, just waiting for the bus. I've just been walking on the way out of Animal Kingdom there, back there. So I was walking out of Animal Kingdom and I had my phone on camera and I thought it was on video, and I'm walking up talking to myself, and then when I looked and I realised, I thought, oh, what a numpty. But anyway, waiting for the bus there now so we can get back, see if we can get it. Might have a splash in the pool for half an hour. Depending on how Morgan's feeling. It's getting out, it's quite late now, it's about 7:15. Been up since 5 o'clock this morning, so only our first day, so she's flagging a bit now. Marshall's getting his chocolate. Oh, Morgan got a chocolate cake to go. The Rainforest Café. There we go, Morgan. Saying hi.
No.
No, you're not saying hi now.
No.
So she got a chocolate cake to go because she couldn't eat it. Marshall could only manage half of his. He's said he's struggling a bit as well. Beautiful night though, got a bit of a rain shower earlier on just for a short time, but it's nice there now.